We got this question, let 5 times f of x positive 4 times f of 1 over x is equal to 1 over x positive 3 comma x greater than 0. Then 18 times integral 1 to 2 f of x dx is equal to what? We expected to get this value. Now foremost what I wish to do is I will consider the given equation. Consider I times f of x positive 4 times f of 1 over x is equal to 1 over x positive 3. Now we replace x by 1 over x. So I take this as 1 and x is replaced by 1 over x. So it's going to be 5 times f of 1 over x positive 4 times 1 over x. So this will be x 1 over x, this will be x positive 3. So this is my 2. Now I would want to get rid of this f of 1 over x. So equation 1 I'm going to multiply by 5 and equation 2 I'm going to multiply by 4, right? So this will give me 25 f of x positive 20 f of 1 over x is equal to 5 over x positive 15, and this one you multiply by 4. So 20 f of 1 over x plus 16 f of x is equal to 4 x positive 12. So this will be my new 3 and new 4, or I would say just 3 and 4. Now 3 minus 4, this would give me a negative sign will flow all over here. Negative, 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 negative. So 20 f of 1 over x minus f of 1 over x minus 20 f of 1 over x, they get cancelled, giving me 25 f of x negative 16 f of x is equal to 5 over x negative 4x positive 15 negative 12. Right, so you take 25 negative 16 out, and over here you take x to be LCM, you get 5 negative 4x squared for this part. This is 3, right? 15 negative 12 will be 3 positive 3 times x. So this is going to be, now we will have to extract f of x, right? So what they are asking us to get this value, right? This is required. So f of x has to be obtained. So f of x is equal to, now 25 negative 16, that will give you 9. So you bring this down here, you get 5 negative 4x squared positive 3x. In fact, what I can do is, instead of having x in the denominator, let me have it x like this, and then you have 1 over 9. So this will be my f of x. So therefore 18 times integral 1 to 2 over f of x dx is equal to 18 times of 1 over 9 integral 1 to 2 5 over x negative 4 times x positive 3 times dx. Okay, so this is going to be 9 will divide 18 2 times. So let me integrate this. I'm going to rewrite this as 5 times integral 1 to 2 dx over x, that's the first integral. Then 4 times integral x dx 1 to 2. Then 3 times integral dx. So this is what we got. So it's going to be 2 times of 5, this is ln x, right? And the limits 1 to 2, negative 4 times x squared over 2, limits 1 to 2, plus 3 times of x. So this is 5 times of upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1, that's going to be 0. Negative 4 times of upper limit is 2 squared. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2, and lower limit is 1, followed by 1 over 2. Positive, this is 1 to 2. Upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1. So this is going to be 2 times of 5 into ln 2. Now this will give me 4 negative 1. That's 3 over 2, and the 2 can divide your 4 2 times. So you have negative 6, right? Followed by positive 3 of 2 negative 1 will give you 3. So this is going to be 2 times of 5 times ln 2 negative 3. You distribute 2, you get 10 times ln 2 minus 6. So that's the solution for this question. Please like, share, subscribe.